Alright, so I cut my drawer fronts, and now I'm using, I saw someone use playing cards. Thought, good enough. So I measured them out to be about 1/8 of an inch. But just trying to be consistent more than anything else. So if I push this against here, I'm actually just going to tack it on there, and I'll screw it on from the back side. And I'll have to fill these holes later. All the drawer faces on. Now, obviously, I thought this through and totally thought of a brilliant way to be able to open the drawers. Made a crappy template out of cardboard. Got a crappy result. It's not that bad. It's like right here. Yeah. It's just a little crooked on the handle there, so another hole. Just drilled out another hole. Perfect. No one would even notice that there is a previous hole there somewhere. It's stuck in there. One down, 5 to go. Okay, I thusly decided to use my template still, the crappy one that I made, and just use it to make one hole, and then work from there. When you start saying these things out loud, you realize that was probably a really terrible idea. But we shall see about that. See if this is still integral enough. Oh, yeah, boy. I don't even know what you guys can see. Can you guys see any of this? You guys gonna have to sit on my lap, okay? You get any ideas? No getting frisky back there. Back there? Up there. On there? I don't know. It emerges. Alright, that's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna measure this. See where it's even. Just right there. Highlight this beautiful little region here. And then we're gonna try to find the center of this circle. Which if you just, draw enough lines, eventually we'll get there. All right, center hoe. My normal drill burnt out, so I'm using the corded hammer drill. Obviously the right drill for the job. Now, the moment of truth. Does it even go on? Okay, it does. Okay, it's on there. Now, question is it level? Oh, it is. What a beauty. What a beauty. It's like I'm a professional, totally not just some dude making things up, talking to himself, the camera in his lap, whispering sweet nothings at his lap. And there we go. Got our drawers all set up. I'll probably do some more finishing on them. Probably put some of the edge banding on it, like this stuff, so it looks a little nicer. Obviously, erase all my chicken scratch. Let's see. That's about it. It's better than you can do. Let's be honest. Don't even try. Failure is an actual option. Remember, kids, let's keep those comments down below PG-13. Mostly because if they're above that level, I will not be able to read them. I only read at an 8th grade level. And that's me making it up. Bye.